The D3000N Discone Antenna by Diamond Antenna is renowned for its ultra-wideband design, covering frequencies from 25 to 3000 MHz. This antenna is particularly suitable for amateur radio enthusiasts, providing excellent performance across numerous amateur bands including 2 meters, 1 1/4 meters, 70 centimeters, 33 centimeters, and 23 centimeters. Its compact and lightweight structure makes it ideal for installation on balcony railings, making it a great choice for those living in apartments or condominiums. A unique feature of the D3000N is its adaptability, allowing users to remove the top loading coil for a more compact setup if reception between 25 to 50 MHz is not needed. The antenna serves as an exceptional shop antenna, capable of testing various transmitters on a single coaxial cable, which is highly beneficial for hobbyists and professionals alike. The D3000N Discone Antenna's versatility and ease of installation make it a favored choice among radio enthusiasts looking for a reliable and efficient antenna solution.